Yes. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we'll continue. So I was about to show you something in the window. So now, since we want to continue with, it's going to throw this alert to us. Okay, we have, so here say, it's alerting us. We have other menu options for you. So that is if you have selected the no. Then we can come in here and then set a variable to catch other things. So we say variable, what we intend to do. So we say menu option, menu options, menu options. Or better still, we could have just made this capital, but we'll just leave it like that. It doesn't change a thing. So menu options is equal to, now we'll give it a prompt. A prompt. And the prompt is here, we're going to make you choose from the options that we have. Okay. So say we have other menu options. So the moment this alerts and you click on OK, this will fall in line. This particular thing will come up. Are we okay? So the menu options are, you will have to say one. So you indicate one. Then here we say Banku. Right. It is there to serve as a separating line. So we can copy this and paste. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this, the first one is the Banku. This other one,
Kinky.
So we'll make this one kinky, right? No, I didn't turn it. Kinky. Now this one will be what?
Rice.
No, make it gobe. Now this one will be rice. And the last one will be wachi. Yeah. Okay, so let's take off this last bar that is there. Okay, so now these are the options we have. All right. Then we'll terminate. Our. So see, we are prompting. So once you are prompting, prompt takes how many parameters? We said 2. So all this represents 1 parameter up to here. So we need to put in the next parameter, which will now accept the response. Are you getting it? So the response here is actually going to be what we will catch down here. So, so in this case, we'll come down, then write code for the switch to be able to pick whatever response comes after this. So we'll say switch. Switch. right? So what are we switching? We need to carry on this
Option.
menu options.
Mm.
We will pass inside the switch case. Then,
Sir,
hello.
please, sir.
Yes.
I want to get this right. Meaning the two options or the two parameters that the prompt will take will not follow the menu option directly. That one will come and name it switch before we will define it in the switch. The second parameter.
Yes. So you realize that was what I told you, that in your case it can't be Boolean. You were saying something about Boolean. And if you say Boolean, you limit it to yes or no, 1 or 0. And I said no. I get it. The only thing is that it gives you a response at a time. One response at a time. I get my analysis.
Yes, please.
You get one response at a time. So that is for the prompt. That's why I said it prompts you to do one thing at a time.
Okay. Well understood.
Yes, it's not a Boolean. Boolean is yes or no. Or in other words, yes, true or false. No. But in this case, it is not Boolean.
Boolean.
All right.
Okay.
So we continue. Now, in this case, once you have the switch, now we can come in with our case. Okay. In the case, they will establish that because of the output we are expecting here, this output, we will need to put in this quotes so that it accepts the value. So if we say it should give us, let me put in 1. Okay. That means that it's going to compare against this value. All right. Then we will alert the user as to what he or she will be getting from them. So alert. Our light just went off. So let me quickly finish this so that I can be done with this. Otherwise, my battery life will go. So here, we're going to speak to the Banku. So it's assuming we want the person to know what he or she will be getting. When you choose Banku, then what we can say here is you will get, but okay, let's just go straight to the point. So we get 2 balls of Banku and 1 whole tilapia. Tilapia with chili sauce. With chili sauce. All right. So this is going to be the response we give
option 1.
Option 1. We'll come down, then we'll give a break. If it is answered, to break out of this. Are we okay? So now, at this point, since we're going to do for all of them, we'll just copy this. I told you that reuse of codes is allowed in here. So we continue. Paste. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
and then last one.
5. So now we'll come back and edit these things. So 1, make this one what? 2, make this 3, make this 4, make this 5. Now here, the person chooses kinky, right? So we say 2 balls of kinky. And one whole tilapia with chili sauce. So that one is okay. Now 3 is what? Gobe.
Gobe.
After the gobe, what will we say?
One bowl.
You get one bowl, rather. Okay. So you get one bowl.
A plate of gobe.
No. Nobody eats gobe in plates. It's a bowl. One bowl of beans and fried plantain. So okay, let's say 10 pieces of fried
plantain.
Right? With some chili sauce. That is if you want it. Okay. That is if you want it. So chili sauce. Now the fourth one.
Fourth one is rice.
It's rice, eh?
Rice.
Okay, so that one we say a plate of rice, right? A plate of rice. And then that rice, we say chicken, right? People like chicken. So we say 2 pieces of chicken. 2 pieces of
chicken.
Let this one. Number that one, we say rice, right? With stew. So here we'll call it with something sauce, some tomato sauce.
And last, wachi.
Tomato sauce. And the last one is what? The wachi.
Separate the two.
Sorry?
The tomato you added E.
The tomato. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Tomato sauce. Okay. Now the last one will be what? A plate.
Wachi. A plate of wachi.
So let's put this one. A plate of wachi. And one whole.
Also go with the chicken.
Yeah, what will you put here?
The chicken can also fit in there.
Chicken can fit in. Okay, so 2 pieces of chicken with tomatoes. So here we say 2 pieces of chicken with chicken instead of we just split it rice with chicken. Yeah. All right. So now that we have done this, the default, we'll have a default, right? So the default will be if the person is trying to be smart.
To choose other options aside.
To put other options aside what you have here, then you tell the person, sorry, so you are late.
Okay.
And alert the person. Yes. Yeah. Alert. Let me just take all. Sorry. We
don't have an option.
Don't have your so we don't have this on menu. And that is it.
Okay.
This explains everything. Okay. So at this point, we have ended like that. We've been able to finish the switch case. So you see now why switch is very relevant if you are using switch. It's the same as the if else, but this one is able to handle quite a lot of cases. It's able to handle quite a lot of cases. So let's save and go back and then have fun with our work. So we refresh. Then let's click. Do you have cookbook? So here we just go no. Right? So now here is saying that we have other options for you. When you say okay, see that it brings the next line, the other options. Then it says Bankum, Kinke, Gobe, rice, and Wachi. So what do we want? So let's go for Gobe. So when we put in 3, say okay, it tells you that you have 1 bowl of beans and 10 pieces of fried. Okay, that is it. I think we're on track. So when we come here, we type no again. Now it tells us we have other options for you. Okay, so let's go for Wachi 5. Put in a plate of Wachi, we serve to you. That's it. So assuming the person decides to be smart, we say no. The person decides to put something outside the box, 6. Then we say, sorry, we don't have this on menu. That's it. Any questions so far? I think I'm done. I've done HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Do we have any?
Thank you, sir.
Any question for me?
Sir.
Yes.
Please, I want to ask that the option. Can we display the options? Can we display the options vertically? Unless I want horizontally, so can we?
Yes. You can display it whichever way you want to. This is.
Oh, in that case, do we break the options or?
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Do we break the options? Do we break them? Or which format do we use to arrange it vertically?
You can use an HTML tag to do that, if you so want to.
Oh, okay.
Here,
okay.
HTML, you can fit in an HTML tag inside here. An HTML tag for you to display whatever you want to display.
Okay.
And it will work for you. Assuming you want put in just a table, so you can put a table and then display this and put this inside it. Try it out and see. All right. So instead of it showing this way, you can put a table inside it, and then if you so desire, it will still that. All right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please, I want to ask a question.
Ask.
Sir, please, for the alert, is it the one taking an input from the user?
Alert that doesn't take input from user. It is prompt that takes input from user.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Any other? Okay. I think we are done. So please make sure when I finish, I'll send it to you. Make sure you go over it, prepare, because you will have this in the exams. All right?
Okay, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Hello. In terms of the assignment, hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
In terms of the assignment, how I will be able to submit it?
When you do it, you see how I've done mine. You see how I've done mine. Everything is inside the folder here. So when I go to Deborah, this is the Deborah folder. I was in the Deborah folder.
Yes, sir.
All you just do is you just zip it. Okay.
Okay.
So you zip it like this. You just because everything is inside. This is it. So you just right click and then you add to archive. That is you are zipping. So that is, so I should see your name there. All right. Then you zip it. and then that'll be it. Once you zip it, I'll come inside. When you see where's the Deborah? Oh, I saw it here. This is the Deborah. You see, the Deborah has been zipped.
Okay, sir.
See? Then I will send you a link for you to submit it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm sending you.
Thank you.
I'm sending you a link right away. Then you would, when you are done, you submit to it. Okay.
Okay.
All
Okay,
right.
sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Welcome. Somebody says he wants our number, my number.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you can take my number
Yes,
from
sir.
course rep. You can take my number from our course rep, okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Let me type it here for you so that those of you who are there can still 026 S6 83. All right, so I've sent it to you. All right, so you should see my number there 026 36 83 17. That's line. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so
Okay, sir.
I wish you all the best.
Yeah. Sir,
Yes.
I want to ask your exam. What mode does your exam takes? Do you write objective, subjective before the practicals?
I said this yesterday. I said
Yes, sir,
we're going to have 2 sessions, session A and session B. Session A will be multiple choice. Choice questions. Okay. Then session B. So session A, you will have 30 questions.
Okay.
30 multiple choice questions. Then section B, you will have 1 question, and it's practicals. So you'll be expecting all the things I have taught you here. You'll be required to develop something.
Okay. So please, can we have a feel of the objective 1 or 2 questions?
Yes, go to W3 schools and go and learn about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. W3 schools, go and learn everything about it because it's coming. Everything is coming.
Wow. Okay.
And then the slides I gave you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The slides I gave you. The first slide I gave you. The first slide. The history of ARPANET and whatnot. They are all coming.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
We are much grateful for your time.
Yeah. God bless you.
Yeah.